Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my August 2023 Icon Box by Ipsy Unboxing. I love the design of the new boxes here with how colorful they are, and this arrived pretty early in the month compared to when I usually get my Ipsy subscriptions, so I am very excited to get into this. We are starting off another month of beauty subscriptions, so I get all of the Ipsy and BoxyCharm options. This month my Ipsy Glam Bag was upgraded to the Icon Box, which means I'm just getting the BoxyCharm Plus Boost still. And once I do, I will also be unboxing those here on my YouTube channel. And also here on my YouTube channel, I have a makeup review series where I like to review all of the makeup products that I get in full dedicated review videos. So if that sounds like the type of content that you like, then I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And now let's go ahead and get into the unboxing here. And I forgot to mention, the Icon Box is a quarterly upgrade to the Ipsy Glam Bag, and these are not sent to me for free. This is not sponsored. I pay for all of mine. And also, it's a little bit hard to tell with the design of the new box here, but mine is all like something spilled and leaked out. So I'm hoping I'm not about to unbox a mess. Let's see. Oh, okay, good. I mean, the packaging in here does not seem damaged, so maybe it's just the outside of my box. No problem. And the Icon Box is always curated by a celebrity, and this box is by Vanessa Hudgens. And I like that they send out this big newspaper style product information here. Very cute. Okay, I'm just gonna jump right in. First, I have here from a brand that I'm not familiar with. It's called Dr. B Lab Foaming Face Cleanser with vitamin E. So this right here is exactly the type of product that I do not like to get in Ipsy, and I feel like I have given so much feedback through my quizzes and product reviews that I do not want cleansers. Especially this cleanser doesn't even have any interesting claims that could target a skin concern of mine. This to me just seems so boring, and I have so many cleansers. I don't change out my cleanser very often, so it's a product type that I don't really like to get in Ipsy. On to the next product. Let's hope it's better. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, this is better. This is a Too Faced eyeshadow palette. To me, that's like a perfect product to get in a beauty subscription because I love the brand Too Faced and I love trying out eyeshadow palettes. This is the Let's Play On the Fly eyeshadow palette. It says it smells like bubblegum. Oh my gosh, I love a nostalgic scented makeup product. Ooh, and the tin here. It doesn't really smell like bubblegum. Like the tiniest hint just because I'm looking for the smell of bubblegum, but not overly scented at all. But oh my gosh, these colors look so pretty. Oh, I am so happy with this palette. I feel like it just canceled out the cleanser that I pulled out before this. This is going to be very fun to play around with as part of that dedicated makeup review video. All right, next, okay, this is from the brand Toy Factory, and it's the Squalane Powder Blush, and it's 4 high payoff shades. I am excited to get another Toy Factory product because I've been trying out some more recently, and I am very impressed. I like this brand, even though I felt confused by it when I first got it, but it is showing up all over the place now with these beauty subscriptions. And I can't help myself. I just have to open this up and see what it looks like. All right, 4 blush shades. Ooh, looks very nice. And what I like is that they're all very different. It's such a range of different blush shades. It's not like one that's slightly different than the one next to it, and like this has, I feel like, such a nice range of colors that can work for a lot of skin tones, but can also mix nicely, and very nice packaging here. So very happy with the third product I just pulled out as well. Oh my gosh, this is another Toy Factory product, and I love the packaging on this. This is Ultra Set Vegan and Cruelty Free. Must be a setting powder. Translucent. Yeah, mineral niacinamide. Oh, I love that this has niacinamide in it. Setting powder. Awesome. I love testing out setting powders, and like I was saying, I'm excited to try out more from Toy Factory. So another great product to get. And next, ooh, Il Makiage, another makeup brand that I love. This is the Color Boss Master Palette. Oh my gosh, another eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this is a rare thing to happen, and I'm so happy about it. Ooh, beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh, yes. I love the look of this, in very different colors than the Too Faced palette I pulled out earlier. I love a neutral palette like this. It has all of the essential shades, great shimmer options as well. Yay. Okay. Every product I've been pulling out ever since that cleanser has been awesome. So this is shaping out to be a fantastic icon box. Next, I've got, ooh, from Tarte, another favorite brand of mine. This has such great brands in this box. So this is the Maracuja Juicy Glow highlighter. Is this actually a highlighter for the face? I thought this was going to be one of the lip products, which I love, the Tarte Maracuja brand or line of lip products, but this is a highlighter, Champagne Glow Brightener. Oh, this sounds right up my alley. Wow, this is pretty cool and different. Oh, I am gonna have so much fun playing around with this. I feel like it lends itself to so many different areas to highlight. Like normally I just kind of highlight on my cheeks like I have today, but this I'd be like brow, inner corner, all over. Like, oh, I'm excited about this too. Do I have anything else? Ooh, 2 more products left in here. This, oh my gosh, it's from Huda Beauty. Legit Lashes. You deserve the best lashes. And we solemnly swear to give you major volume and to always provide dramatic curl and insane length. All right, that sounds awesome. 2 mascaras in 1. Volume, curl, and length. Oh, volume, and then curl and length. Okay, wow. That was a lot of reading to get to what this actually is, but I am so excited about it. A double-ended mascara. Volume on one side, curl and lengthen on the other. I am so excited about this. I'm so picky with my mascaras, and I love to layer up mascaras, and I also love Huda Beauty, so oh my gosh, a perfect product for me to get. Oh, I can't wait to try that out. I am feeling so blown away right now by the types of products. Like, aside from the cleanser, eyeshadows, mascaras, like these are all exactly my favorite types of products to get, and from some of my favorite brands. Okay, I've got one more product. Let's see if we end on a high note. This is, ooh, from the brand Lawless. I am excited to try out products from Lawless, but I have not tried very many because I'm pretty sure this is a very expensive brand. This is the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Yes, this is definitely an awesome product for me to end on because I love trying out plumping lip products. I'm always trying to get my lips to look bigger. So this is a product that I've tried before, but I tried it in the shade Rosy. This here says I got it in the shade Rosy Outlook. I'll have my review video of this that I've tried before linked in the description down below because it's basically, I think, the exact same thing. But still, I love a plumping lip gloss, so not mad about getting this. And that's everything I got in this box, and it is a good box. I'll do a quick recap, but if there are any products that I got that you want me to review first, just let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these products. I, of course, would love to hear your thoughts on them. But okay, I got the Huda Beauty 2-in-1 Mascara, the Il Makiage Eyeshadow Palette, the Toy Factory Sunset Blush Palette, the Too Faced Let's Play Eyeshadow Palette, the Lawless Plumping Gloss, the Toy Factory Setting Powder, the Tarte Maracuja Highlighter, and the Dr. B Lab Cleanser. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.